Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. So I am here with another new video on the new chapter, that is exponents and powers from class 8. Okay, so there was a request on doing this video also. So I'm sorry I'm late for this video. So as I'm now here, so let us start with the video. So here you need to study about the introduction. Okay, and there are two exercises into this complete chapter. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. Okay, so for the introduction, you need to know about this. What are exponents and what are powers? Okay, so you can see I have just written an example over here, that is 10 raised to 24. Okay, so here 10 stands for the base. So this 10 is nothing but called as base, and this 24 which is raised to the power, okay, this is nothing but called as powers, or we can say it as exponents too. So we can say, generally we can say there is no difference between the exponents and powers. Okay, so next you can see powers with a negative exponent. So here I have written 10 to the power of 2, which can be written as 10 into 10. Okay, 10 to the power of 2 can be written as 10 multiplied by 10. 10 to the power of 1 can be written as 10. 10 to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. Always you need to remember that any number with a power 0 is always a 1. Similarly, when we are getting 10 to the power of minus 1, we can write it as, okay, when we bring this to the, from numerator to the denominator, the power which is given here, it will change its sign. Okay, so as you can see here 10 to the power of 1 is given. If we bring that 10 to the power of 1 from numerator to the denominator, it will become 1 divided by 10 to the power of minus 1. Since here it is given as plus 1, it will change its signs to minus 1. Similarly, when it is minus 1, it will change its sign to plus 1. It means here it is 10 to the power of plus 1. Similarly, when we divide this number, okay, when we divide this number again, okay, so what we are going to get here is 10 to the power of minus 2. You can see here next number is 10 to the power of minus 2. So it can be written as 1 divided by 10 divided by 10. So whenever we are dividing this 1 divided by 10 with 10 again, we are going to get this. So let me show you how. So it will be like this, 1 divided by 10, again it is divided by 10. So what can we do is, this 10 is multiplied to this number. Okay, so it will become 1 divided by 10 into 10, correct? So when we can write it, this number only, we can write it as 1 into 10 multiplied by again 1 into 10, as I have written here. So it will become 1 divided by 10 square. So it means this minus 2 can be changed to plus 2 in this manner. Okay, here just simply I have told you, when we change the sign, it will become 10 to the power of plus 1. From minus it will change to plus 1. But this is the process how it happens, and finally we are getting the signs with changed, powers with sign changed. You can see here minus 2 is changed to plus 2 by this process. Similarly, you can see when I write 10 to the power of minus 3 here, I can write this as 1 divided by 10 to the power of 2, again it is divided by 10. When we divide each number by 10, we are going to get the next numbers in this manner. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Generally, we can write that general formula for this is a to the power of minus m is equals to a to the power of plus m. Okay, this is general formula for all this, where a to the power of minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power of m. Always we need to remember that a to the power of minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power of plus m. Okay, so here few try these questions have been given. So the question here, first one is find the multiplicative inverse of the following. You can see here 5 questions have been given and we need to write the multiplicative inverse for all this. So the first one is 2 to the power of minus 4. So the multiplicative inverse will become 2 to the power of 4 plus 4. Since second one is 10 to the power of minus 5, here it will become 10 to the power of 5. 7 to the power of minus 2 can be written as 7 square. Next, 5 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 5 cube. Okay, and 10 to the power of minus 100 can be written as 10 to the power of plus 100. Okay. So next, second question you can see here. Second question was given as expand the following numbers using exponents. So we need to use exponents here and we need to expand this to following numbers. Okay. So the first one we will take it as, first one is 1025.63. This can be written as, you can see here, this is 1025.63. Okay, so we can write it as 1, this number 1 into 1000. Okay, if we multiply this 1 into 1000, we are getting 1000 plus 0 into 0 is in which place? 100 place. You can see here this is in unit place, tens place, 100 and thousands place. So 1 into 1000 we have done. Then 0 into 100 we need to do because this is in the 100 place. Okay. Then 2 into plus 2 into 10 plus, again we can write it as 5 into 1. Okay, after writing this, you can see here whatever the point numbers are given, after point whatever numbers are given, it must be written as like this. 6 into, okay, 1 divided by 10, okay, plus 3 into 1 divided by 100. Okay, so now up to here we have taken unit, 10, 100 and we have taken it as 1000. So after the point we need to take it as 10. Unit is already here, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, so on. Okay, so this can be written as 1 into 1000. So 1 into 1000 can be written as 10 to the power of 3 because 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000 plus 0 into 100 can be written as 10 to the power of 2 plus 2 into 10 can be written as like this only with the power 1 plus 5 into 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0 as I told you in the previous one. Any number with the power of 0 is always to be 1. So plus 6 into, if we take this to numerator, it will become 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay. Then plus 3 into, if I take this to the upper side, it will become 10 to the power of minus 2. Since this is 100, it will become 10 to the power of minus 2. So that's all is the answer here. Okay. We'll see for the second one. Second question is given as 1256.249. Okay. So it can be written as, so here also 1 is given. So this will become unit, 10, 100 and this will become 1000. Similarly here unit is there, then after that this will become 10, 100 and this will become 1000. So we can write it as 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100, okay, plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1 plus, okay, this 2 will be written as 2 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100 plus, again this can be written as 1000. Okay, so this will become 9 into 1 by 1000. So here we can write it as 1 into, this is nothing but 10 to the power of 3 plus 2 into, this is 10 to the power of 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 6 into 1 is given. 6 into 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0 plus the next number after this will be, this is all positive numbers, the next number will be negative. So we will write 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1. As this goes up, it will be written as 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 into 100. If we write, it will become 10 to the power of 2. So if we move this to upper part, it will become 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power of minus 3. As you can see the numbers here, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so that's all the answer here. So next you can see the laws of exponents have been given here. So there are 7 laws of exponents. So the first one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. When two bases are same and two different exponents are given, what we can do is we can add the exponents or we can add the powers here. Okay, so a to the power of minus m can be written as a to the power of 1 divided by a to the power of m. So next you can see third one is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. When two bases are same and when the two bases are divided with different powers, what we can do is we can subtract those powers. In case of multiplication, what happens? If a single base is given with two powers on it, we can multiply both the powers. This is a to the power of m whole to the power of n will be equals to a to the power of, we can multiply these two powers, that is m into n. M into n can be written as mn. Next, you can see the difference over here and here. Here you can see both the bases are same. Here you can see there are different bases and same exponent. So at that time what we can do is we can multiply both the bases. A into b we can multiply and the power will remain same. Here what happens? The base will remain same. Since it is equal here, the powers will be added up. Okay, see the difference. Next you can see the difference here, a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So see the difference over here. Here both the bases are same and different exponents. Here both the bases are different with same exponents. When the bases are same, what we can do is we can just subtract the exponents. Okay, and when the exponents are same, what we need to do, we can directly divide both the bases and the exponent will remain as it is. Okay, and any number when its power is 0, it is equal to 1. So these are the 7 laws of exponents. Okay, so depending on this, there is a question here. Try this and you need to simplify this and write in exponential form. Okay, so how can you write this? So the first question is, you can see here both the bases are same with different powers. So what we can do is we will keep this base as it is and we will add those power. Minus 3 plus minus 4. So what we are getting here, minus 2 will remain as it is. Okay, so minus 3 plus into minus will become minus 3 minus 4. Okay, so what we are getting, minus 2 whole to the power of minus 7. Okay, so this is the answer here. If you want, you can keep it as it is, or if you want to change this into the positive exponent, you can write it as 1 by 1 divided by minus 2 and the power will become positive here. If you bring this to the from numerator to the denominator, it will become positive. Okay, you can see the next one. Next one also is similar here. You can see both the bases are same with different powers. So you can write the base as it is and the powers will be added up. So 3 plus minus 10. So it will become p to the power of, you can see here 3 plus into minus is minus and 10. So you will get p. Okay, and 10 minus 3 you are getting 7 and you need to write the sign of the greatest number. So the 10 is the greatest number here, so the sign will be minus 7. Okay, so next one also you can see here. Okay, 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of minus 5 and 3 to the power of 6 has been given. So all the bases are same. So you can write it 3 as it is with 2 plus minus 5 plus 6. So what you are getting? 3 will be as it is, 2 will be as it is, plus into minus is minus 5 plus 6. Okay. So you will be getting the answer as 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 to the power of 3 you are getting. So that's all for today. I hope everything is cleared here. So we are going to solve the exercise 2.1 which is depending on this loss of exponent into our next video. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. So till then, stay safe and stay connected. Thank you.